Let's be real for a second. The way we interact with AI is about to change forever. We're standing on the edge of a total digital transformation. Imagine a world where opening a dozen apps for online shopping, restaurant reservations, groceries, or news is frankly just obsolete. A powerful new super app might be the only thing you'll need, and guess what? OpenAI is making real moves toward this bold vision. Even if most people think AI chat is already passé, OpenAI isn't content to just give us ChatGPT. We know they're gunning for something much, much bigger. Before we dive into the details of OpenAI's upcoming super app and what that means for all of us, we want you to pause and hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe and drop a comment. How do you use AI in your everyday life? Let's get this conversation going. We love hearing your thoughts. So, what's the story? Just a few months back, everyone was abuzz about AI chatbots. But according to a senior OpenAI employee, chat is dead. That's a pretty bold claim, isn't it? But here's what they mean. Chat interfaces are only the beginning. The real revolution is coming. The shift we're seeing is from deterministic AI to agentic AI. It's a move from something you talk to something that actually does things for you. It's about AI being seamlessly embedded into every aspect of our digital lives, smoothly, invisibly, and most importantly, proactively. We aren't just talking about a smarter Siri or a faster search engine. We're talking about agents that can navigate user interfaces just like you do. This is exactly where OpenAI's super app comes in. We've seen tech giants dream for ages of making the West's answer to WeChat. WeChat is the Chinese behemoth that combines messaging, payments, social media, shopping, and booking services all into a single interface. In the West, we swap between dozens of apps all day. Billions in China just use WeChat for nearly everything. No US company has pulled it off until now. According to sources who spoke with TechCrunch, OpenAI's vision is essentially to collapse your entire digital life into one streamlined, AI-enabled experience. Think about it. Instead of opening DoorDash for food or Amazon for shopping, you could simply tell your OpenAI super app what you want. Reservations, orders, messages, reminders, it's all just there, one frictionless interface, and most importantly, it's smart enough to know your preferences. But here's where things get really interesting. Reports say OpenAI is actively working with other major companies to integrate real-world capabilities. The company has been in talks with the likes of Expedia and Shopify. Imagine searching for travel deals and booking flights through a single prompt. You won't just chat anymore, you'll get things done. We're moving from the era of information retrieval to the era of automated action. Think about planning a corporate retreat. Today, that's dozens of tabs and emails. In this new vision, it's one conversation where the AI handles the logistics. OpenAI is rethinking how information is organized. They believe the app as we know it, opening and closing icons, is broken and inefficient. The real power of generative AI is that it can collapse all of those disjointed steps into one delightful workflow for you, the user. Let's pause and think about why this all matters. If OpenAI pulls this off, they won't just disrupt other AI chatbot makers like Google or Meta. They'll be taking on the entire app ecosystem: Uber, Amazon, delivery services, and news platforms. This is a power move that could reshape technology. This is what we call the battle for intent. When you tell an AI, buy me shoes, you might never see a specific brand's app again. OpenAI becomes the filter. This is a massive shift in how brands reach you. If the AI makes the choice, the old rules of marketing and app-based loyalty are out the window. There's also buzz about OpenAI's recent partnerships, especially rumors of high-level discussions with the legendary Apple designer Jony Ive. If you can see why this could make OpenAI's super app not just powerful, but actually a joy to use. They might be aiming to design an entirely new kind of device built around AI interaction, something as disruptive as the original iPhone was in 2007. We're also seeing links to Snap, the company behind Snapchat. It's clear they are looking for ways to blend AI with social and visual interaction. Now you might be wondering, why haven't we seen this yet? Where's my super app? Well, we know this project is still deep in development. Integrating so many services while ensuring rock-solid privacy and security isn't easy. We have to be sure our data isn't being mishandled. This brings us to the personal moat. For a super app to work, it needs to know everything about you, but you need to trust it completely. That's a huge hurdle. Plus, with regulators in the US and Europe increasingly wary of big tech, any everything app will face massive scrutiny on competition and data. And let's not forget about the competition. Elon Musk is trying to pull off a similar super app vision through his X platform, formerly Twitter. But unlike Musk, OpenAI is betting on generative AI, not social networking, as the foundation. We believe that's a critical difference in who gets there first. So what does this mean for you? In the not-too-distant future, the very act of opening an app might be as outdated as using a flip phone. Instead, you'll interface directly with AI for anything you need, shopping, travel, even your finances, just by saying what you want. All the complexity, the navigation, the busy work, gone. We think it's hard to overstate how much this will impact our daily productivity. When the interface disappears, the time you spend managing your digital life can be redirected toward actual creativity and human connection. This is about a fundamentally new relationship with technology. It's moving from tools we use to partners that understand us and act on our behalf. So, one more time, if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. We want to keep this conversation going with you. And we want to hear from you. If you could design your own super app, what would it do? Let us know in the comments below. We are looking at a shift that could reshape the entire global economy, from how we spend money to how we organize our time. It's bigger than just an app. Until next time, stay curious, stay skeptical, and remember, the future may not be in chat, it may be in whatever OpenAI builds next. If you want to keep exploring the future of artificial intelligence and its impact on business and everyday life, check out our related video. You'll see it right there in the corner. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next one. We're excited to see where this journey takes us.